here we are driving Denise, doing a test run. Last week we fixed a bunch of the front suspension. We put new struts in it. We put new ball joints, new outer tie rods, and the sway bar end links are all new. The bushings were going on most of those things pretty bad, so we changed those all out. We had done the rear shocks about a week ago. There's definitely a big difference. What else have we done? We put a catalytic converter on it. The exhaust still sounds terrible. The downpipe needs to get welded, and the pipe behind the catalytic converter needs to get welded to the catalytic converter. They're different sizes, right? It's hacked together right now with splices and pipe clamps, so it's still pretty loud. What else have we done? It's got a new alternator. It's got a new coil. And of course our exciter switch. We fixed the hatch when we first got it. Now it seems to be broken again. I can't imagine why. Put a new air filter in it. What else? Put air in the tires. We waxed it. That's China talking. Harbor Freight. Made for America. Isn't it shiny? Oh yeah. And we cleaned up the brakes and we sprayed them with the wrong kind of, well, not the wrong kind, but I used it wrong. Usually I use this, and this time I bought this thinking it was the same stuff, and it's not. It's basically lacquer. So I lacquered my brakes and they stuck together. They were really grippy though. Brakes are nice and grippy. So we cleaned that off this morning and we're all back to good with the brakes. I'm sure I'm forgetting something. Power steering, that's right. We fixed the power steering. The return line on the power steering pump was leaking like a sieve. So we took that all apart and I filled my eyeballs with power steering fluid and rust. And now it doesn't leak at all. In fact, it doesn't leak anything at all right now. It's pretty dry under there. So one thing we're not going to fix is this awesome horn. Happy hunting, Nimrods.